So guys, welcome to a short new video. So I want to show you how to insert your back feet. The first thing you do is when you measure where you want it to be, then you use your punch, you look for a small punch, you make a hole on where you want it to be. After you make a hole, then you pick up your back feet, which are something like this. You can use this gold or silver. There are bigger ones as well. This is the small ones. Then you fix it this way. You make sure the leg is facing this side. Then you bend it. You bend. After you bend, use your hammer to hammer it so that it will be in place. The second one as well, you do the same thing. You repeat the same thing, the same process. You bend, you bend, you bend. Use your hand to hold it in place. You put it on somewhere. So the essence of using hammer to knack it is just for it to be balanced and to be firm. So this is how it will look like after you finish. So thank you guys for watching. Subscribe to this channel. I hope you enjoying it, and bye.